Yes, welcome once again to Adele's Continental Kitchen. I welcome those who are viewing our video for the first time, who are coming to our channel for the first time. I welcome you all. As you participate with us, you will see a lot of things, and if you subscribe, you are going to get more things uploaded. So if you subscribe to our channel, YouTube will always show whatever we're uploading anytime we do this. So today I'm going to have coconut rice, our real traditional coconut rice. So here are my ingredients for the rice. We have bell pepper, red bell pepper, ginger, onions, pepper, garlic, minced garlic, curry, shrimps. We have dried fish here, mackerel. And for our salad, we are going to have veggie salad because it is not fried rice, so I'm not going to include the veggies in the rice. I'm going to do it really traditional way. Then I make the salad separately, which is the veggie salad. You see the three color of the bell pepper is here. We have onions and tomatoes to go with it, and when we are going to start, you're going to accompany, because most times people are too used to coleslaw. If you have variations of salad, you will enjoy your meal. Like this one, it's very simple, but when you make it, you will always use it, both in fried rice, in jollof rice, in white rice, in pastas, everything you want to serve, you can always use it, minus fufu. Now here I have 2 small coconuts. I've already cut the coconut, so I'm going to blend it. I'm blending it with hot water, warm water, whichever way, so that you'll be able to extract enough coconut milk. The hot water will help the milk to extract very well. So I have my warm water here, which I'm going to use. You will chop the coconut very well so that it will not destroy your blender. I have warm water here, which I'm going to use to blend it. I'm going to sieve it. If you have muslin, you can use muslin, but it's not very necessary. So I'm going to blend it once again. I had to blend it again. You see that there is still milk in this. We have to have enough of the water so that we will not need to add ordinary water. So now I'm going to use a very fine sieve to sieve it out so that every tiny particle will be out. Now with this sieve, even without muslin, it is still okay. You see, I still have some particles. Here I have water. For my rice, I have 1 kilo of parboiled rice. This is parboiled rice. So I'm going to parboil it in hot water, allow it boil and wash, because I'm not cooking fried rice, so I have to cook it the traditional way, the way it is properly done. So if I use fried rice to make coconut rice, it has become oriental rice. It's no more fried coconut rice if it is the traditional one. So this is 1 kilo. Allow it boil maybe 5-10 minutes, then I wash. Okay, our rice has boiled, so I'm going to pour it out so that I can wash it. Here it's on fire now. When it starts boiling, I will add the rice and then prepare the pepper and tomato and the pepper and the bell pepper, onions separately, and add to it with the rice. But just follow the process. You know that if I keep talking here, it will make the video too long. So I'm trying to save time. Okay. I'm going to add the rice to the boiling coconut water. I don't think my pot can carry this much, so let me see how far we can go with this. So my pot cannot carry all because of the water. The water, though I have some coconut milk, industrialized one. If I need more liquid, then I will take from that, but I don't think I need more. Just let me not add all. So I allow it to cook, and then I blend the I have ginger, bell pepper, 1 Scotch bonnet pepper pocket, because here our pepper is too hot. So with onions, I have garlic separate. I've blended the pepper. I'm going to start with, here I have my coconut oil. I will use 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. I go in with my garlic and onion. I deboned my mackerel fish, so I add some curry, not much. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of fish powder, fish seasoning powder. As I'm using fish, I prefer using fish seasoning. But if you have beef or any type of seasoning, whether it's chicken or beef, it's still okay. But I'm using this. So here I have 1/3 cup of blended crayfish powder. Here it's 1/3 cup. So I'm going to use a spoon so that I will see the real measurement. I have 1 here, 2 here, 3. I think 3 is okay. Coconut rice without crayfish powder is not coconut rice, so the original coconut rice must have crayfish powder. So I'm adding shrimps. It's not compulsory. I'm just adding it because with fish I always like to use shrimps with fish, but it's not compulsory. So don't say it's because I used it then it's necessary. It's not necessary. Here I have my Nchau. I'm going to add Nchau, as Nchau is more traditional, as you can see. My Nchau is already black because I left it in the fridge. So the fridge has darkened it. For those who don't know what is Nchau, this is scent leaf. I'm just adding it to give it that real native flavor. So now I'm going to add it to my pot of rice. I will not mix it now. Let it boil so that the water will reduce very well before I stir it. Okay, here we have our rice is dry now. almost ready. So I'm going to mix it together. I'm adding the rest of the crayfish. Let me correct the seasoning. I need more salt and a little bit of the fish powder. I correct the seasoning and then allow it dry out. So my rice is dried now and it's ready. Let me start to fry the fish. Here I have mayonnaise, I have corn powder. It's not a white corn. This is cornmeal, so that it will be crunchy a bit, not too soft. I'll add egg to it. I add small salt and small seasoning powder. So I'm going to fry my fish. Here I have butter that I made with mayonnaise and cornmeal. Then I seasoned it. So okay, my fish is ready. So here I have my veggies. I've cut them and I'm going to dice all of it. So when I dice the three colors, I've deseeded my tomato. Here I have 2 tomatoes without seed. I've taken out the seed. I'm going to dice it all and mix it together, but you follow up. So now the bell pepper, the 3 bell pepper, the 3 colors I told you. I've diced all. I've diced onion. I diced tomato. So I'm going to mix together. I'll add olive oil. I'm adding vinegar. This is mint. If you have parsley, it's better. But for me, I add mint because mint helps you to release gas. When you have your stomach has too much gas, it's good to add mint to your salads. I've added this is chopped parsley, dried one. I'm adding oregano to it, about 1 teaspoon of oregano. The bell pepper, I took half from each color. I took half because it's not supposed to be remaining. If you have leftover, you use it immediately after. If it stays too long, it will go mushy. This salad is very simple, but it's very good and very rich. Very simple, but very rich and nutritious. So our rice is cooked. Well done. So here I have my fish. So this stage, you give us a thumbs up, share our video, and subscribe to our channel. Our coconut rice is ready now. This is very traditional. There is no frying of the rice. It's just cooked with enough crayfish, because the coconut rice, the authentic traditional coconut rice, has to have enough dry crayfish. Otherwise, it will never be the same. So now we are ready with our meal. And this is the salad. You see the salad. So this salad goes with any type of food minus fufu. You can use it with any type of food, and it's very good, very delicious, and very economical. So thanks for watching once again. Till we meet again in our next video. Thank you. Share our video.